Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look for products for your Amazon FBA business using the strategy called storefront stalking. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, this is how you guys look for products by stalking other storefronts, right? So first, you guys start off with a product that you've purchased in the past, right? Or any online arbitrage or retail arbitrage products. So we start with a listing that looks like this, and then you go to selleramp. You go to the bottom of the page where it says offers right there, and then you guys would pick a seller with 100 or less ratings. So for this instance, I'm gonna go pick this seller right here. And then once you're inside the seller's store, right, I would pick products inside the store or the seller's store, and then I would open up. So for example, for this one, right, this product, I w- I would open up the Amazon link and the Google Shopping link right there. So you click them side by side, and that way you guys can see, right, see if the products match or not. So for this one, I also like to look at this number called max cost because I can use this number to narrow my search when I'm looking for the product. So this is how you guys do it, right? So you guys get the max cost right here. Go to Google Shopping, and then I would click or I would add the max cost here under price. So 99.40. So 99.70, right, is the max cost of the product. I would apply it. And then okay. And then just see if you guys can find the exact same product, which I'm not. So for this instance, this one is a high ticket product. So I can even play around with the numbers, right? So at 99.70, I'm getting at least 20% ROI. But if I lower it, um, so if I put a higher max cost, right? So let's say 105. Okay, this one's gonna give me a 13% ROI, but this one is a high ticket product though, right? Even with a 13% ROI, this thing is still giving me a $14 profit. So I'm okay with taking a lower ROI for this product because it's a high ticket product, right? So I would adjust my maximum cost on my Google Shopping. So I would type in 105, apply. So it's right there, right? On Kohl's. I think I found the exact same product right there. So yes, it's right there. So $104, right, on Kohl's. You're also getting a 5% rewards if you use Kohl's rewards here. And then also here, you can get a 30, 20, or 15% off when you use a Kohl's card, right? So yeah, so this one is a good one. It's $104. It's giving you a 15% ROI, but then again, there's also other ways to increase your margins, right? So if you use the Kohl's rewards, right there, you're getting a 5% extra. And then if you use the Kohl's card, you guys can get an extra 30%, 20%, or 15% off, right? So yeah, there you go. We found one product. Next one is, let's try this one right here. It looks like it's from Cold Stew. I see it right there, $23.79 from Kohl's. Yeah, I think this is good. So $23.79, right, from Kohl's. Let's open this up. $79. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, so Hamilton, Beach Performance 6-speed, hand mixer, standalone case, okay. Yeah, this one is the same one, $23.79. This one is only getting 14%. I'm sorry, like 14 sales a month, right? I mean, it's not the best, but ROI is pretty good. It's a variation. So again, I would go down variation, click on the variation here, check it. Why is it not clicking? Right there. So this variation is getting about 85% of the sales. So 14 times 0.85, that's about 11 sales a month. It's not the best, but there's not a lot of sellers on here. So my keyboard's not working. But yeah, this one is not a good product, right? So this one is not a good product that you can sell. High ROI. I mean, the sales per month is pretty low, but yeah, this is a good one. There's that. Next product. Close this one. Let's see if we can find it. It's another Kohl's product. It's right there. Easy to see, right? So $22 from Kohl's. I mean, this one's giving you a 54% ROI. Sales per month is really low though, at 7. Yeah, there's a lot of sellers here. But the good thing is it gives you a high ROI. So yeah, I think this one is a good one. Yeah, I mean, we found a product. It's not the best as far as the sales per month, but the ROI is pretty high. So, I mean, we found a good product, right? So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly trainings. I do product research trainings like this one. And also it's a good place for you to network with other sellers. So, with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.